So hot off the press is the all-time favorite application for live streaming, Mobdro, actually back. And when I say hot off the press, as you can see, this was posted March the 11th, 2024. Now, I'm sure lots of you will remember this application from the older days or from the golden age of applications and APKs. In fact, do leave me a comment below if you remember this application. And I know for many people, this is how they actually got into live streaming and watching content through APKs. Now, somebody shared this link with me, and I would say that for all applications, particularly from applications from unknown websites, I would always recommend doing a virus scan, a virus total scan, just to make sure that you can check if the application is safe or not, if there's anything malicious, any kind of malware, anything like that. All of that will be highlighted in virus total. Now, before I just show you those scan results, we can see that this was a previous third-party application, had lots of third-party content, particularly live content, particularly 24/7 streaming content. All of that was included in here. Now here we can see they allow you to actually get this application, and this is the one that I ended up scanning. I mean, yeah, so I personally wouldn't trust this website. Even though the page was updated, it doesn't necessarily mean that the application was properly updated, or even the fact that the application is even safe. Now, the interesting thing is, a few months ago, tdoctoruk actually covered a video on this, whereby somebody was able to get this application published to the Amazon App Store. Now, the way they did it was they said this was a Mobdro player, and I think you had to download some M3U playlist or something like that, but they were basically relying on the name Mobdro to hopefully get people to install it or to pay for the premium version. And I will show you that version on the Amazon App Store after this. Now, I downloaded the latest version on my device. Let's click on that. That then takes you to this page here, and you can then download the application. But if you look on the screen now, as you can see, guys, 10 warnings from 10 different engines. I've said before, for certain modded applications, you may see one or two, incorrect flags or false positives, and they're typically okay to use. But if an application is giving you 10 warnings like this, particularly from very well-known engines like Google, like McAfee, like Sophos, I would definitely not trust this application from this particular website. So let's now jump over to my Fire TV Cube. So very interesting, guys. You can see if you go over to search, and let's now search for that famous name. Let's type that in. You can see when you type in MOB, you got the application here. So let's click on that. So they called it the Mobdro player, and we can see now it's actually got some ratings, which means people have downloaded it. I'm guessing they were very disappointed because it's just a scam. It's not the real application, the good one that we were used to from the old days. But interestingly enough, now if you click on the application, it says application could not be found. So I suspect that with maybe people complaining, people finding out this is a scam, lots of people have reported this application to Amazon, and they are now in the process of removing that from the library. But I mean, this is definitely not available for me in the UK, but if you can check on your device, if you search for that name, do leave me a comment below and let me know if this application is available in your store or if it's been also removed for you. But I would personally just stay clear, don't get this, and definitely do not download that version from that website. Clearly, it's just a massive scam, and with lots of those viruses and malware, just keep the application away from your device. And if you are looking for those kind of streaming applications, there are lots of better options, and I will leave a link to some of the best streaming applications in the pinned comment for this video. So that's pretty much this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. Do leave me a comment below if you remember this application, or if you've now moved on to other applications, other streaming services. Do leave me a comment below, let me know, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.